Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. We're going to take a look at Tesla again. So today is the day after the earnings and the stock is down 8.5% at 266. Now, if you watched my previous video, you could have kind of guessed this move. We were implying a move at around 10%, and that's exactly what happened. Almost 10% minus 8.5%. And most importantly, we did break below the 20-day moving average. However, the market is not closed yet, so we're very close to it. So I wouldn't necessarily say today we broke down to the downward trend. However, we do have to wait for tomorrow to see if we're going to see a continuation of the downward move or if we will be able to close back above the 20-day moving average. Now, that's a really important level. As you can see, it's big support. It was support in June, it was support in the beginning in May, and also in previous runs up, it has been huge support. And whenever it broke below it, we did see a sharp move down. So important to watch today's close, tomorrow's close, if the 20-day is really broken or not. Interestingly, on the upside, we did not break out of the giant bull flag there is now. I already said previous times, this is the biggest bull flag in the stock market, and still, of course, we could be breaking above it. However, we did have a false breakout yesterday, and in the end, we did close below that blue line. So only good earnings could have pushed us above. That didn't happen. In fact, we broke down and we did move to 266. Now, what's next after the earnings? So let's say we do not regain above the 20-day moving average. We are going to drop more, and we will be looking at the support, which was right here. It was basically the low of the end of June, and it was at 240. So that's the next level to watch. It's around a 10% further decline from this level. So important to watch that. If that breaks, we should be checking the 50-day moving average, which is the green line, and is currently at 233. So between the 240 233 zone, that's huge. If we're going to drop lower, well, then of course we'll be looking at the blue line, 200-day below 200, though I do think that's pretty far away. On the upside, if we do get above the 20-day, of course, we will still be looking at that bull flag. We're going to be looking at the high of yesterday, and on the long term, we still have that huge resistance at around 315, which were the three previous highs in August 2022 and in September 2022. So still important levels to watch for Tesla if we are going to get the move back up. Now, if you'd ask me, what is your prediction for the stock? So, what's my opinion? Not financial advice, but what is my opinion? I do think that Tesla will, as it has dropped below the 20-day, will continue to move a little lower. And I do think we will find support when the green line and the blue line intersect right here. Now, that's what I think in the next couple of weeks. And then we're going to find support here and start move back up. I do think in the long term, we will definitely break out of this bull flag, and we will at least this year see the 315. That's my prediction. That's my opinion. That's what I think will happen. However, it's very hard to predict. Of course, the markets are up a lot this year. They're really up a lot this year. So a sharp correction for the markets could put pressure on the Tesla stock. So be careful about that. Also, congrats if you were selling options. I did say that it wouldn't be wise to buy options for out of the money. And as you can see, we didn't move more than 10%, so it was a wise move to actually sell covered calls. That was a nice trade. Also, please let me know in the comments what's your opinion on Tesla. Where do you think it could be heading in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks? Also, please let me know if you want to see other stocks being discussed on this channel. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe, and then I hope to see you all the next video.